think the degree of contrition and the degree of emotional upsetness that we saw, that we've seen ever since the inception of the court case, he was quite consistent in his emotional and his emotionality about the whole thing. I don't think that it was contrived. I think it appears very real, and it's probably part of his personality that he now, when everything is calm, he's now much more calm and reasoned, wanting to manage things at a reasonable level. One does see, however, a few incidences of irritability coming through, especially when he tells Advocate Nell, that's the fourth time I'm answering the same question now. So we see some irritability coming through, and not so much the contriteness that we've seen in the previous 2-3 weeks.
Know more. ENCA.com